What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. All right, so if you missed my channel update, my most recent channel update, I explained how I'm going to be doing beard product reviews through the month of 2023. So what we've got today is an unboxing. I am purchasing from random companies. All companies I have never used or possibly even never heard of. So I made a purchase, and I'm going to give you guys a consumer report on this product and this company. So today we're going to do an unboxing. So I'm going to let you know about shipping and prices and website and all of that. And then at the end of the month, I'm going to come to you with an update and final thoughts on how these products that I purchased, how they did for my beard over the month of using them. So stay tuned through the intro. All right, guys, welcome back. So today, you heard the intro, the beginning. The company that we're going to be using during the month of January is Beard Brothers. Now, I'm not going to turn around my shipping label, but I love that touch on the packaging. That is really awesome. So I made a purchase over at Beard Brothers a couple weeks ago. I actually forgot what scent that I purchased, but I purchased an oil and a butter. Shipping took about 6 days for it to come to me. Now, all they knew is my legal name. They don't know the Bearded Outdoorsman. So they didn't know it was coming to me. They didn't know it was coming for a review, none of that. So I got the customer experience, okay? So it took it about 6 days. It did take 6 days to get to me. We'll talk about the website and everything in just a few minutes. Let's bust into this and see, kind of give a first impression of the scent. We're gonna be using the Gerber flat iron, this big boy cleaver blade to get into this. If you're interested in a big knife like this, I did a review. You can check out the card up top. So let's just dig into this. Hopefully we didn't cut nothing. You almost did. All right. Doug, thanks for the support, brother. Hope you enjoy the combo. One love from Beard Brothers. Yes, I almost said Brother Beard. So Beard Brothers. All right, so I got smoked peach in oil and in butter. I got it in premium beard oil. They also have emu blend, and you can pick up sample oils from the website. So they're based out of New York. It is Beard Brothers Products LLC. They are based out of New York. So I got a nice little invoice here. It's got their website, and there will be a link to their website in the description below. So let's put that to the side. Let's see, we got a sticker. So there is our sticker, Beard Brothers. Again, I had never heard of this company before, and I just went through and just randomly picked a company. This was actually a company that somebody tagged whenever I made my Instagram post about Year of the Beard 2023. So I went in through there and just randomly picked one that I had never heard of and never used. So we're bubble wrapped up. So everything's bubble wrapped. I've already started taking this one off. So we have a glass jar. Check out the label. The label looks really, really nice. So let's see, ingredient: shea butter, conditioner, BTMS 25, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and vitamin E. Smoked peach, juicy peach, smoldering smoke, and dark oud. That's why I picked this scent, because it sounded really good. They do have a pile of scents to choose from. I did have another scent picked out, but when I went to butter, it was not available in butter, so I did not go that route. I switched gears. This is a clean, classy bottle. Really love the look of this. Clear bottle with that yellow oil in there and that label. I don't know if you can see this, but you've got fire and smoke. It just looks really cool. That's awesome. So price on the regular blend oil is $16. The emu blend will run you $21. Now, I did not get the emu, I got the regular. The butter will run you $21 for this. Now, they do have a discount code that's on their website, BB10. I use that code. So my total with shipping and everything was just a touch over $38 is what I paid for these two. So the other cool thing about doing my review this way is we'll be able to see how much I was able to use during the month, how long it'll last you, kind of thing. But they have a bunch of stuff on their website. They've got mustache wax, oils, butters, balms, bar soap, body wash, apparel. They've got hats and shirts, I think, combs, brushes, all that kind of stuff. The only thing I didn't like about their website was there was not an About Me section. There wasn't anything that gave you kind of a background of the company. That was what I looked for. I went looking for that before I made my decision on purchasing, and I didn't find it. So that's one thing that I kind of want to give them a little bit of feedback and constructive criticism. Throw an About Me section on there, and that way people can kind of get there and learn about you. They do have an Instagram page, but the website is very well laid out. You go pick, you want premium oil, which is this, and then you do a drop down box and you pick what scent you want and you add it to your cart. Once I got there, I haven't spent a whole lot of time. I'm gonna do some more digging on their website before final thoughts. So be staying tuned for that. See if I've left anything else. I have not. Okay, so let's go with a first impression. This is smoked peach. Now, I like peach scents, and I like smoky scents, and this has got a little oud in it too. It's got your restrictor cap. Ooh, very peachy. Okay, I like that. That smells really, really good. So you can see it's not too thick. Did it have? We didn't even read we read our butter ingredients. Our oil ingredients are jojoba, sweet almond, apricot, castor, vitamin E, and fragrances. So there's that. Made in the USA. Let's see how the butter smells. Sometimes shea butter does throw things off. That is peachy. Not as strong peachy as the oil, but it smells really good. So it's a white butter. Ooh, it's got a little, okay. You can see it's got a little bit of hold in the bottle, in the jar, so it's gonna break. It is breaking down on my hand. Oh yeah. That smells really good. So I'm ready to get this in my beard. So that is how the whole year is gonna go. I'm gonna randomly pick a company, I'm gonna make a purchase, and then come to you guys with a first impression, give you shipping information, website information, all of that jazz, and then let you have an informed decision. This is coming from a customer. They did not know I was doing a review. I don't even know if they know who I am other than my name. I didn't put the Bearded Outdoorsman in it. So there you go. So be watching for, at the end of the month, I will have basically like a final thoughts and give you my opinion on how these products did. I did notice, I didn't notice it on the website, but I did notice that it does have the BTMS 25, which is an amazing product going in butters. I've had it before. It does a really good job. Whether your beard is short, long, whatever, does an amazing job. So there it is, Beard Brothers, based out of New York. We've got an oil and a butter we're going to talk about this month. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to click that little bell so you're notified when these new videos drop. And if you found any part of this, if you helpful, useful, if you like the new style, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. It definitely helps the algorithm, and it'll help more people see this video and learn about Beard Brothers. So there you go. That's all I've got for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.